咁去到 Part B 嘅部分題目就要求我哋用 absorption costing 啦去做翻3月嘅 income statement，咁就 show 清楚呢個 inventory 同埋 over 或者 under absorption of fixed production overhead 嘅。咁同學熟嘅話，其實呢啲都係例牌嘢啦。咁我哋好快開翻個 income statement 咧，就去講解啦。咁 sales 咧應該就係80乘3900嘅，咁因為題目好清楚講到就係一件衫就賣80蚊啦，咁跟住 actual 嘅 sales quantity 3月嘅話咧就係賣到3900件嘅，咁所以呢度就可以計得到個 sales 3123個0啦。咁如果同學心水清咧，你記得咧 part A 咧就話4100件咧衫咧就可以賺到10萬蚊嘅，咁所以咧呢度咧我 expect 呢個 net profit 咧應該就係細過10萬蚊嘅。咁呢度純粹就去補充翻俾同學聽啦。咁跟住咧寫完 sales 咁就冇 return invoice 嘅呢題，咁所以咧我哋就飛去 cost of goods sold 啦。咁 cost of goods sold 大家應該都好熟習個計算啦，咁就係 opening inventory 啦，咁就唔係加 purchases 啦，因為呢間公司係 manufacturing firm 就自己生產嘅，咁所以咧就係加 production cost of goods completed 啦，或者 production cost of finished goods 啦，就自己生產就唔揾供應商入貨啦。咁所以咧通常都好少有 carriage inwards 同埋 return outwards 呢啲嘅，咁所以一飛咧就飛到去減 closing inventory 噶啦。咁所以 cost of goods sold，如果大家咧記得個架構或者點樣計咧，咁我就落啲 detail 位啦。咁opening inventory 咧今次係0嘅，因為呢間公司咧係新開張，咁就應該冇 opening inventory 啦。咁而咧自己生產，咁就咧研究翻呢個生產過程究竟有啲咩嘅生產成本咧，就牽涉咗在內啦。咁所以咧呢度咧就除咗考大家咧cost 咧分做 fixed 同埋 variable 之外咧，亦都要考下大家咧分做 production 同 non-production 嘅。咁但係咧，如果你即係計開嘅話咧，可能你先睇下有冇得一啲嘅直接嘅生產費用先啦。咁其實嚟嚟去去都係 direct material 啊、direct labour、direct expense 呢啲嘅啫。咁而 direct material 呢度有2隻嘅，咁 direct labour 亦都有嘅，咁你就可以寫翻好去計翻啦。咁咧呢度嚟講就咧其實咧題目咧就講到啦，除咗fixed production overhead 咧，基本上其他嘅 cost 咧都係 incur as budget 嘅，咁所以你就唔需要話好驚，上面嗰啲係 budget 嘅 data 嚟嘅喎，咁啱唔啱㗎？咁其實咧基本上絕大部分都正確㗎啦，除咗啲 fixed production overhead，除咗啲間接固定嘅生產成本，但係我哋一路講緊，首先計咗啲直接嘅生產成本先。咁所以其實呢啲咧，基本上你係用翻題目嗰啲data 啦。咁但係當然啦，就要乘翻真正嗰個生產件數，咁就去計翻嘅。因為咧題目就 point one 講到咧，就係真正生產咧，就係3月咧，就係生產4300件。咁所以咧，你就可以去揾翻相關嘅資料去乘翻4300件啦。咁譬如我記得啦 ，Part A 我哋就講好多咧，其實一件衫咧需要個 cloth 咧就係4蚊雞嘅。咁或者咧direct material、other direct material cost 咧就係2蚊一件衫嘅。咁所以咧呢啲應該就你去跟翻計算就可以啦。亦都之前研究過咧 Part A 嘅時候咧，就應該一件衫咧個 direct labour 係15蚊。咁所以咧呢啲咧你都可以全部咧跟翻個單位啊各樣嘢就去計翻好咯。咁呢啲 direct 嘅 production cost 咧個總數咧我哋咧就叫做 prime cost 㗎。咁呢度咧都提一提同學啦。咁而你如果有咁嘅框架咧，咁之後就簡單啦，因為咧計完 direct production 嘅 cost， 計完 prime cost 之後，咁就係一啲 indirect 嘅 production cost 咧，咁就係換句話說就係一啲 production overhead 啦。咁而尤其是題目就話即係個 production overhead 啦，就唔係跟個 budget 㗎吓，其他就跟 budget， 咁但係 fixed production overhead 就唔係跟 budget 嘅，咁所以咧可能就真係要睇多啲 point number 3啊吓，咁因為 point number 3咧就講好多fixed production overhead 嘅資料，咁咧原來咧production overhead fixed 嘅話咧就要做翻個 absorption 嘅。咁點解要做一個 absorption 咧？因為我哋話咧，其實咧唔係真係咁多資料咧，即係話有就有㗎。咁其實咧，尤其是你話見到真正嘅 fixed production overhead 咪係76000咯，咁唔係直接寫落去就可以啦咩？ 咁其實咧真實世界嚟講咧，呢個資料咧就通常比較後期先知道，唔係所有資料咧第一時間就知道。咁所以咧有陣時咧，我哋真係可能要透過個 budget 嘅資料咧，做一啲嘅 absorption 去估算翻咧究竟個 fixed 嘅 production overhead 係幾多，估算翻個 production cost 係幾多，咁可能我哋就 set 一個啱嘅銷售價去做銷售。咁所以真正一間公司運作係咁啦，咁所以有一啲嘅資料唔係第一時間有，咁可能咧就需要做多啲absorption 咧去估算翻。咁而咧咁人哋講到 fixed production overhead 就要去用個 number of units produced 去做一個 absorption 去估算翻嘅。咁所以首先我哋一步步嚟啦，究竟 budget 嘅 fixed production overhead 係幾多咧？真嗰個你就當遲啲先知啦。咁 budget 嘅 fixed production overhead 係幾多咧？咁呢度咧其實就又係啦，冇寫得好清楚。咁但係咧，其實你應該知道 budget fixed 你頭先講過就係藍色嗰啲，咁邊啲係 production 嘅 overhead 咧？咁其實呢度咧就 budget，咁 fixed 就係藍色嗰啲，咁而邊啲係 production 啊嘅 overhead 啊？咁 factory，咁你識講係 factories 個工廠嘅一個租金，咁所以呢個係 fixed production overhead 嘅一種。咁而另外咧wages of factory supervisor 亦都係同一個道理啦，咁都係工廠嗰個監工個人工，咁所以咧都係 fixed 啦，同埋 production overhead 嚟嘅。咁咧，但係salary of administrative staff 就唔係 production 啊，production overhead 啦，因為呢個係 non-production overhead，係一個行政嘅費用嚟嘅。咁 rent of office premises 個辦公室嘅租金亦都唔係生產嘅基地，唔係生產嘅成本一部分啦。咁但係 factory insurance 咧就係啦。咁因為亦都係 factory 呢個字已經俾大家好大嘅 tips 咧，就係 production related。咁所以咧呢啲咧就係題目講嘅 fixed 藍色嗰啲 production 相關。咁跟住咧就係一啲 indirect 一啲 overheads 嚟嘅，係啦，同個 cost object 同可能尤其是件衫啦冇一個好大嘅直接關係。咁所以咧呢啲就係一啲 fixed production overhead。咁就係51,600加20,000加1,900咧，就係 fixed production overhead 啦。咁而就係 budget 嗰個啦。咁而我哋就話根據呢個 number of units produced 咧做翻個 absorption。咁所以咧你就除翻個 budget 嘅number of units produced 啦。咁其實咧原來嗰個51,600啦、20,000啦同埋1,900咧，其實原來係建基於咧就係預計咧個 budget 嘅 production quantity 係4,200件嘅時候咧，一個月嘅話咧，咁佢就估計係51,600、20,000同埋1,900蚊嘅。咁所以咧，我哋就可以咧咁樣咧去計算得到咧，記住除4,200就唔係除4,300啊。咁計得到咧，咁其實咧一件衫咧，我哋就估計大概咧就係 fixed production overhead 咧就係17.5蚊件啦。咁而咧呢度如果你計得到個 absorption rate 咧，咁我哋就可以做個 absorption 啦。咁就係17.5蚊件衫 per 一件衫啦。咁跟住乘翻咧，真正原來就唔係4,200件衫，真正咧我哋今次咧係生產4,300件衫。咁所以咧我哋估算咧或者做完個 absorption 咧，應該個 fixed production overhead 咧就係75250啦。咁呢度希望即係解釋到俾同學聽啦，因為都可能牽涉好多嘢，就比較複雜少少。咁而呢度咁可能同學就話，咁有 fixed 嘅 production overhead，咁有冇 variable 嘅production overhead 啊？咁呢度咧就應該冇啦。咁因為咧cloth 又計埋 direct labour 又計埋 other direct material cost 又計埋。咁就算你話嗰啲 administrative staff salary 啊、office premises 呢啲咧，咁其實都係一啲 non-production 嘅開支。咁所以咧其實呢度咧就應該計晒所有 production overhead 㗎啦。咁所以咧呢度嚟講咧就直接嘅生產費用、間接嘅生產費用做咗個 absorption，咁我哋就得出咧個 production cost 咧應該就係165,550嘅，係啦。好，咁跟住之後咧，咁我哋就計個 closing inventory 啦。咁 closing inventory 咧，其實可能就需要大家咧溫翻個 weighted average cost method 係啦。咁但係呢度咧應該都唔難嘅，因為呢一題咧就冇 opening inventory 嘅，係啦。咁唯一嘅貨品咧就應該就係啱啱3月生產嗰批貨品。 咁就咧 total 咧就係165,550咁多嘅成本啦。咁而咧中間就係4300件衫，咁所以咧其實你將佢相除咧，基本上就知道一件衫呢個成本係幾多噶啦。咁坦白講呢個都唔算係 weighted average cost method， 就只係 average cost method 嚟嘅啫，係啦。咁但係 anyways 啦，咁都係嗰句我寫清楚條公式俾大家睇，咁就希望大家記得翻，如果有 opening inventory， 當然你就要處理翻啦。咁所以計得到個平均成本，或者有需要就計個家具平均成本咧，咁就一件衫個成本價就咁多。咁但係究竟我哋賣剩幾多件衫咧？咁呢度其實都唔難嘅。咁因為我哋生產咗4300件衫，但係賣出咧就只係3900件衫，咁所以咧其實就剩翻400件衫咯。咁所以咧我哋就揾到個 closing inventory 就係15400啦。咁呢度咧就完成咗平時講嘅 cost of goods sold 啦，不過就小心，因為咧你中間咧就有啲位咧就做個 absorption 咧，咁就可能同個真正嘅資料就唔相符嘅。咁所以咧呢度咧，尤其是咧題目咁就係話啦，原來時間過咗好耐之後，我哋終於咧就收到資料啦，就係真正嗰個 fixed production overhead 咧就係76,000蚊，其他嗰啲就同你 budget 嘅一樣，咁但係fixed production overhead 係真正咧就係76,000蚊，咁而之前我哋咧估咧就係75250嘅啫嘛，係啦喺呢度，咁所以咧如果係咁咧，換句話說就之前我哋估少咗啦，之前我哋有個 under absorption of fixed production overhead 嘅，咁如果你之前估少咗 under absorption， 咁你咪補翻落去咯，咁就調整翻一個正確嘅production cost， 咁所以咧呢度咧就要加翻750蚊啦。咁所以咧個 cost of goods sold 咧，如果係咁咧，就真係完成咗啦。記住減完 closing inventory， 記得要調整翻。如果你做完 absorption， 你要調整翻睇有冇 over 或者 under absorption， 亦都換句話說回應翻題目嗰個要求啦。咁呢度嚟講，如果你係咁咧，就應該個 cost of goods sold 就係150,900啦。咁 gross profit 咧就係呢個161,100。咁至於other expense 係啲乜嘢咧？咁其實就應該係頭先講嘅administrative staff 嘅人工啦，同埋 office premises 個租金。因為咧呢啲 administrative 啊 office 呢啲字眼咧，都提示咗你呢啲係一啲 non-production cost， 係一啲嘅 other expense 啦，係一啲嘅period cost， 你係可以 fully written off 嘅喺 absorption costing 嘅時候。咁所以咧就扣除埋呢啲嘅部分咧。咁亦都係啦 budget 嗰個就係同 actual 一樣啦，就咁所以咧如果係咁咧，就可以計翻應該3萬同埋38,400啦。咁最後咧個 net profit 就係92700，咁的而且確應該就係細過10萬蚊啦，因為話賣4100件咧先會賺到10萬蚊嘅。咁如果你買得個3900件咧，咁就應該係咧只係賺到92,700嘅啫。